My name is Shonda Stripling. I am from Dallas, Texas. I suffer from hip arthritis in both hips and my lower back. So I did research for all of the stem cell therapy treatment centers in the US and also overseas. GIOSTAR showed up as one of the best because of the extensive research that was done. So I like what I saw on GIOSTAR website. So I reached out, and luckily for me, there is a female doctor that could also do the treatment, so it gave me more comfort to come to Cancun to get the treatment. I thought the treatment would be a lot worse than it was. I have this huge phobia of needles, but since I've been here, everything has gone smoothly. The treatment has been non-invasive. Dr. Evelyn explained everything. Each day I come, she makes sure that I'm feeling okay. I was able to speak to her last night when I was feeling a little pain after my treatment, but all in all, this exceeded my expectations. My stem cell treatment consisted of treatment in my left hip, my right hip, and my back. I received 35 million in each treated area. The IV treatment, I also got 35 million stem cells and also, I believe, 2 billion exosomes. And today I'll be getting the same thing. I was giving a day of rest between my treatments, and today she's treating my carpal tunnel syndrome in both of my hands. So for my first consultation, reaching out, Luis Perez was wonderful. He was great to work with. And then the logistics coordinator, Fabian, he was also excellent in providing guidance and setting up our transportation from the airport. Our driver at the airport was easy to find, and transport to the ALOF, our accommodations are great. We got transportation every day to and from the clinic. So we're very well cared for while we were here. We really didn't have to want for anything, but it was always, someone was always reaching out to make sure that we had what we needed and to offer any type of support or assistance if we needed it. So I feel very well cared for through the entire process. Medical team is phenomenal. Alondra, like I said, I don't like needles, but she does a great job. Didn't really feel anything. I probably felt more in my mind than I did with the treatment. But the medical team is very attentive, very caring, concerned about, levels of pain. And what I truly love is that everything is explained before the process, during the process, and even after the process. And the nutritionist, I had a Zoom call with a nutritionist before I came as well. So it was Luis and Fabian and our nutritionist, forgive me, her name escapes me right now. Just wonderful and attentive staff. What I would like to share with others is that don't be stuck with what traditional medicine has to offer in terms of hospitals. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and seek treatment outside of the treatment in the United States. Technology has advanced and we have options. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself.